In this video, we're reviewing Evernote. So to let you know if this app is still worth it, I've divided this video into key sections, including a platform overview, pricing and costs, and more. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video, starting off with a platform overview. So Evernote is launched in 2008 in the USA and is known for organizing notes, tasks, and web clippings across devices. And let's take a look at the pricing and the costs. So Evernote has a free plan and paid plans are starting at around $10 per user per month. And what you will get for a paid plan is creating up to 150,000 notes, up to 2,000 notebooks, unlimited connected devices, and 10 gigabytes of monthly uploads. And with the free plan, you can just create up to 50 notes, create up to one notebook, connect up to one device, and you have 250 MB of monthly uploads, which is pretty low. So if you need more, then you can just look at the personal plan, and then you also have the personal plan for around $12 per month. And with this, you will get everything from personal, including Adobe Acrobat Standard, 20 gigabytes of monthly uploads, and AI edit and AI powered search, which is really advanced and works really well at this moment. So now let's take a look at the features and the tools of Evernote. So Evernote has notebooks, web clippers, task managers, and cross-device syncs, and many more. And if we need to make a final verdict on Evernote, I would say that this is great for users wanting a familiar, easy note app, but may feel limited compared to newer tools, because I think the focus on Evernote is also evergreen, and this makes that it's not that advanced compared to different apps. And let me know in the comments down below if you're planning on using Evernote and what you think of this app. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.